The 45-minute burner coming in hot. Start spinning on light tension. Timer has started for this 45-minute ride. A remake of the Waterfall HIIT. Rain. So many puns in the title. Here we go. Sweat equity. 3-minute warm-up. 30-second cool down. 10 sets. If you've done the Waterfall HIIT, then you know what to expect. Full ride. Hits down below. Leveled up. New levels, new devils. We got some 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute finishers. Keep cruising. Quick form check. Relax up top. Shoulders are down. Spine is straight. Core is engaged. We're going to start some strides in about 10. Level up that resistance. Level 4 into 1. Quick speed burst. 3, 2, 1. Tap back to that 3. 2 more strides. We got 3, 2, 1. You got it. Just getting all the muscles activated. We got 3, 2, 1. Lots of reps today. A medley. All of the things. We got 3, 2, 1. Last stride. Relax up top. Tap back into 1. Grab that water. So, the sets get longer. Rep rest or set rest gets shorter. Starting with 7 by 30 on, 30 off. Then the waterfall aspect is the next round. We do 6 by 35 on, 25 off, until we get down to 1 by 60. And then that's where we add on the reboot version. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. If you're confused, so is everybody else. All right, we got 30. Relax up top. We don't have to play, we don't have to play this a medley of sorts. So we're going to take those 30s, steady states. We'll probably add some transitions as the reps get longer. Let's start nice level 5. Sprint in the saddle in 5, 3, 2, 1. Get that 5. Holding it for 30. You got it. More seconds. Don't fade. You can do this. Show me 3, 2, 1. 30 off. 1 to 1. The glory days. Grab that water. Let's start with a climb. Level 8. Hold that climb for 30. Waking up the muscles. You can do this. All right, steady state climb. Out of the saddle in 3, 2, 1. Round 2. Get that nice V shape over that saddle. Halfway. Ignore the air, as always. All right, show me 5, 3, 2, 1. Saddle up. 5 more 30s. Seated climb, level 7. Getting that breath work.
Something shines on the horizon. It's leading me the long way home.
We got 5. Raise that resistance. Add those bricks into 1. You got it. Confidence is at an all-time high. Don't think just go with the flow of the reps. You're gonna crush it. Halfway, don't tense up. Turn that butter. Show me 3, 2, 1. Tap back. You got this. Keep that intensity throughout the ride. Level 6, sprint. Start in the saddle. We'll ride about halfway through. We got 10. Heavier than the first rep. We got 3, 2, 1. Find it. You're flying. Take my soul and make it glow. Take these roads and watch them go. Rise, hold that tension. In 2, 1, 15. A little faster. You can do it. 5, 3, 2, 1. You got it. Grab that water. Level 7 to level 8. Get that push back. Halfway through the rest. Brighter than a flashlight. Let that fire go. Yeah, light it up. Light it up. You got it. We got about 3 more minutes of work in set 1. Level 7 in 2, 1. You're a beast. You're gonna finish. Don't think, just do. You got it. Rise. Level 8 in 2, 1. Full tap down in 3, 2, 1. How do we feel? Let's get some power on the board. Level 7 power sprint. So same resistance as that climb. Pushing those RPMs for 30. We got 10. All right, level 7 in 3, 2, 1, sprint. Come on. Second last rep of set 1. Halfway. Show me 5, 3, 2, 1. Cruising. Quick water. The sweat equity is gonna come on strong. We're in the glory days right now. Get that push back. All right, let's do level 8 to power. We got it. We got 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Getting that 8. After this, we take 30 off, which is technically still in the set, and then we get that set rest. Set rest starts at 1 minute and decreases to 30 once we get to the end. You got this. Power up in 3, 2, 1. Get those RPMs up. Holding it. We got 3, 2, 1. We'll tap down. Grab that water. Getting that breath work. Get that push back. Jogging with control. Nice, light and easy. right, another 30. Then we start round 2, 35 on, 25 off. You're barely gonna notice. 5 seconds, maybe. Build and burn ride. Level 7 climb coming up in about 5. 3, 2, 1.
We ain't never breaking down. We
You
the
got
best
this.
and we coming for the crown. We give it our all, nothing less but 100. We'll never fall. Coming in with the thunder. You better get
Quick form check, back is straight, shoulders are down.
The victory's ours for the take.
Keep motoring.
We ain't going nowhere now.
We got 10.
Tell them that we run this town. Ready for the countdown now. Anywhere
3,
you look around,
2,
that is going down.
1.
We ain't going nowhere now. Tell them that we run
Got it.
this town.
5 more.
Ready
Flying through these reps.
Anywhere
Getting that 3.
tell them that it's going down. We
Level
ain't
8 to 9. In 10.
Yeah. Step on the scene and I'm shaking the block. New kid is here and I'm ready to rock. World's greatest is the MVP.
3,
You better watch
2,
what you're saying to me. Watch it now,
1.
stop playing
Come
with
on.
me. We running now. You don't agree? You can wake up the
Make that
beast.
8
One of
right.
these cities, I got
Challenge
the
yourself.
Got a whole lot to settle. Never scared, we some rebels. Push a pedal to the metal, we gon' take it up to a new level. Cause we got a dream, ain't no sleeping on the job, no, we gonna
Some
chase.
athleticism
Coming at your full steam,
that
the
you're about
trophy
to
is ours
see.
for the take.
It's gonna be life-changing. All right, keep it up. Level 9 and 2. 1, final 10.
Tell them that we run this town. Ready for the countdown now.
3, 2, 1. Full tap down.
We ain't going nowhere.
You got it.
Tell them that we run this town.
Waterworks
Ready
are no joke already. 15. Level 7 power to 8 power.
we ain't going nowhere now.
Getting that sprint climbing resistance. In 3, 2, 1. Push those RPMs.
Tell them that we run
Come on.
ready for the
You love to work. You're a workhorse.
Anywhere you look around, tell them that it's going down. We ain't going nowhere now. Tell them that we running this town.
Rise. Level 8 power climb. In 3, 2, 1. Push those RPMs. We got 10.
We ain't going nowhere.
3, 2, 1.
It's down the little made for bigger things.
Jogging halfway
And I dream.
through set 2.
Let's go. I'm saying
Level 6.
tired
Sprint
of
in the saddle.
waiting. We can leave
In 5,
whole place
3,
behind.
2, 1. Here we go. Get it.
I'm saying it's tired of waiting. We can leave this whole place behind.
Come on. Push that cadence. You're so fit. You can do this. 15. Back is straight. Shoulders are relaxed. 3, 2, 1. All right. Same resistance. Out of the saddle sprint.
This place
You were born
keeps
for this.
killing our dreams.
You can do it.
Let's go, love. I'm saying it's tired of waiting.
All right, level 6 sprint in 5. Out of the saddle. 3, 2, 1 for 35.
I'm saying it's tired of waiting. We can leave this
Light and relaxed up top. 20. Come on. You got more. 3, 2, 1. Cruising. Quick water.
That it still feels like this, cause there's no stopping. The echoes telling me it's been rewritten to notes.
You are crushing this ride already. How do we feel?
It might come easy.
Level 7, climb in 2, 1. Come on. You're motoring. Last rep. Nothing to it but to do it. Power up those RPMs halfway. Here we go. Bring the energy. All right. Power up in 2, 1. Here we go to the finish. Show me 3, 2, 1. Motoring. Rehydrate.
But no sun anywhere, and it hurts me. Take you through the
Heart rate check.
but there's no
171. Not bad.
My hand from tightening grip and all this baggage.
The water works though.
So carefully, I'm willing to
Look away. All right.
someday it might
We got
outgrow me.
5 by 40 on, 20 off, 5 alives.
After ash, where do we go?
Get that push back. Let's do 5, 6, 7. Seated sprint to standing full throttle in 10. You're gonna crush it, believe it. We got 3, 2, 1. Come on. All gas, no brakes. Sprint it out. Shoulders are down. Level up, level 6. Add that break in 2, 1. Halfway. Full throttle time. Here we go. We got 3, 2, 1. Final 10. Get that breath. 7, 8, 9. Coming up. Climb it out. In 5, 3, 2, 1. Breathe. Make sure you get that push back. Level 7.
I'm a slaughter. I'm ready for danger like a martyr. Paint the art of war with my
Look
sword
alive.
like an author.
5 alive.
Yeah. War stories full of sacrifice and 9.
Level 8. In 2, 1. Rise. Build that momentum. Level 9. In 2, 1. Final 10. Show me 3, 2, 1.
No retreat, but no remorse.
20-second cruise. I feel the reps getting shorter more than I feel the reps getting longer. If that makes any sense.
Never back down. A purple heart soldier and go the extra mile. Leave no man behind.
7 power sprint. In 3, 2, 1. Go. Come on, CJ. New member alert. Lucy, you're motoring. Another new member. Relax up top. You're sprinting. Full throttle, out of the saddle. In 3, 2, 1. 15. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Get that breath. How do we feel? Coming up to the 20-minute mark. Seated climb the whole time. 3, 2, 1. Get it. Breathe. Character building. You've got this. Show me 10 more seconds. Don't tense up. 3, 2, 1. Final round. How did we get here? Level 8 out of the saddle. Climb it out. 3, 2, 1. Rise. Get that resistance. You're so much stronger than you think. Push through it. Is that sweat or tears? I don't know. Don't think, just do. And another 10, we're gonna power up. Power sprint home. Power climb home. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Climb. Push those RPMs. 3, 2, 1. Cruising. Grab that water. How do we feel? Now we got 4x45 on, 15 off. Quick little quattro. You've got this. Level 6, steady state sprint. Holding it for 45. Leg burners. We got 5. 3, 2, 1. Send it. Relax up top. Quick feet. Come on. You can do this. Push a little harder. We got 15 right here. Tap back in 3, 2, 1. 3 more. Level 9, 8, 7. A descent. New name. We got 3, 2, 1. Level 9. Heaviest tension. Level 8. In 3, 2, 1. Tap down a smidge. Keep working. Saddle up, seated climb. In 2, 1. Here we go. Three, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Level 7 power sprint. 3, 2, 1. Accel for 45. You're motoring. Tap back, level 6 sprint. In 2, 1. Send it. Back straight, shoulders are down. Level 5 sprint. In 3, 2, 1. Fly. 10.
And I'm calm and I'm mellow, but push me, you get jello. I go strings like a cello, but I ain't reading Othello.
3,
I got room for the metal.
2,
There ain't no reason to
1.
settle. I won't break the
Quick
song,
water.
making the same mistake as Tony. Never that I gotta make them know me. Walk in the room, I made it boldly. Trust me, you can't fake this phonies.
One
no
more.
need to staying lonely.
45.
I said I want greatness only. Man, I want greatness only. I'm in all black like
Level 6 sprint out of the saddle in 2, 1. Go.
Keep my eye on the profit. Haters love to just gossip. In a crowd, man, I'm mushing. Only talk to just bosses. Said I'm after
Maintain.
that greatness. I'm just rhyming off topic. I'm rhyming off topic. I spent time in the tropics, but I'm back denying I lost it. My oh my, who's firing off the list? Is I am flying a cockpit. I'm denying I trust it.
Hold that tension. Saddle up. In 2, 1. Keep going. 10. Or not 10. A little bit longer. Keep it up. 15.
No degree, we gon' make it known. Look at me when I make it go. Cause I run around like I'm Gothic. 100 racks in my pocket. That don't cover my losses. I keep my eyes on the profit. In a crowd, man, I'm mushing.
3,
Love to just gossip.
2,
Only talk to just
1.
gossip. Cause I'm after that greatness. I'm just rhyming off topic.
Grab that water.
I'm rhyming again off topic. Go to mums and writing again and they can't even stop it. Cause when I shoot it's buckets. Put that man in a coffin. Take this man to the moon. Put this man in a rocket. Cause I'm out of this world. And
You're motoring. Here we go. 3 by 50 on, 10 off.
I'm on a diet, but I've been silent. I've been working, but I've been quiet. What is the purpose when I resurface?
Stack to bada, basically. And a little bit more. Is this some athletics that you were promised? No. We got 10. Alright, start in the saddle, level 5. Sprint. 3, 2, 1. You got it. I'm doing my best. Here we go. Get that 5. Cruising with control. Standing sprint, level 6. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Show me. 3, 2, 1. Come on, you're motoring. 10. Push through the leg burn. 3, 2, 1. 7 climb.
Now we playing for keeps.
3, 2, 1.
Next round's on me. Do you have what it takes? Do you have what it takes?
Steady state.
Gotta keep up with the pace.
Build and burn.
Do you have what it takes? Do you have
No
what it
change
takes?
ups. Just hold it here.
Out of my cage. Are you
Breathe.
ready to rage?
Relax the shoulders.
Are you ready to rage?
Halfway. Don't fall asleep here.
I'm bringing the heat. I'm changing the game. It's time to release the beast. I'm taking it off of the chain. I'm showing my teeth.
Final 10.
The blood in my veins, ready to run it
Keep
down.
climbing.
Off of the thrill of the chase. Do you have what it takes?
3,
Do you have what it takes?
2,
Gotta keep up with
1.
the pace. Do you have what it takes? Do you have what it takes? 'Cause I'm coming out of my cage.
Another level 5 sprint. In 2, 1. Come on. Motoring.
Are you ready to rage?
Power sprint to the end. Add 2 bricks. Level 7. In 2, 1. Halfway. Get that intensity up there. You're so strong. Come on. Another 10. Three, 2, 1. Grab that water.
Set us on fire. So used to hiding, we built our kingdom around the right timing. But something's telling
Let's do some tempo drifts. Start level 5, then level 6. So many sprints, so little time. Don't worry, roll and climb is coming at the end. We got 3, 2, 1, get that 5. Breathe. Come on, quick beat. Get that 5 if you need more pushback. In about 20, we're gonna tempo for 5, then level up to a 6. Breathe, shoulders are down, back is straight. Tempo it out right here in 3, 2, 1. Quick rest. Level 6 into 1 sprint. Come on, we'll rise in about 15. Set us on fire and say you want me. Keep going hard. Show me 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Set us on fire. 20. Another little Tabata. Come on, a little harder. We got 5, 3, 2, 1. Final rep of the OG Waterfall HIIT. 7, 8, 9 climb. Quick water, we got 15.
There's a tension that is stretching on the water. We both feel it.
Oh my goodness.
Say it out loud. As I stand,
level 7 climb in 3, 2, 1. If this was 2021, this would be the last rep. But we are older and wiser and stronger. Keep pushing. Level 8 in 3, 2, 1. Get it. Another 30.
And dive right in front of a 65 yellow Mustang.
Level up. Level 9 in 2, 1. Add that brick.
Yeah, yeah. There's a tension that is stretching on the water. We both feel it, so
come on. We got 5, 3, 2, 1. Get that breath. Cruising. 2-minute block. 9 to 5. It's gonna fly by. Level 9 out of the saddle. We got 3, 2, 1. Heavy, heavy. Here we go. You're crushing it. Don't let up. So close to done. We got about 10 more minutes of work. Level 8 into 1. 7, climb in the saddle. In 3, 2, 1. Still working.
You every day, whispering, you won't let go.
Another minute.
And while searching for peace, you know I really ought
Power up those RPMs. Right here. Level 7, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Level 6 is coming. Breathe. We got 5, 3, 2, 1. Level 6. Less than 30. Shoulders are down. You're flying. Level 5. In 3, 2, 1. Fly. 10. Come on. Work for it. No quitters. 3, 2, 1. Grab that water. Roll and climb. You can do this. Hurry. 177. 2, 1. Level 7.
My horns are touching the ceiling, so sick and twisted.
Come on.
This feeling, I kinda like that it's killing me. All this weight in my bones.
P.H.Ec tried to warn us.
I'm spinning
And
out
here
of
we are.
control, spiraling down in the hole.
Don't stop chasing.
Feeling crazy, see the fire in my eyes. Feel it coming, chaos rising, walking on the wild side.
Embrace the waterworks. Hairs everywhere. Can't get it. Oh my goodness. Ignore what you see. Level 8, climb. Or cry. Up to you. We got 3, 2, 1.
Staring down the face of death.
Come on, you got this.
Swimming in mercury, chocolate pressure, it's hard to breathe. Ice inside of my arteries, venom blood is a part of me.
Level 7, standing tempo. In 2, 1. Pseudo rest.
Closing, feeling crazy, see the fire in my eyes, feel it coming, chaos rising.
Back to that 8. In 2, 1. Get it.
Watch out. Watch out. I'm living on the razor's edge. Watch out. Watch out. On the razor's edge.
Level 9.
Watch out.
In 3, 2, 1.
Staring down the face
Come
of
on,
death.
you're so close.
Watch out. Watch out. On the razor's edge.
Butt back over that saddle. Full times down. In 3, 2, 1. Grab that water. Level 5 tempo. In 3, 2, 1. Final 45. Level 7 grind. In 2, 1. Get those bricks. Pile it on. Get that breath. You got this. Level 8 finisher. In 2, 1. Final 20. Make it count.
City nights, I love the sound. It's all good, I'm here now. When
10.
evil go sit down, then I'ma send them underground. Working like 24/7. Tell the villains keep stepping.
3,
My presence is a
2,
weapon. Yeah, a nice
1.
guy with aggression. Where's the minister?
Cruising.
It's so dark and sinister. All the things I've seen.
How do I feel? Last rep, set, 1 big rep, 4 minutes, in about 15.
I'm coming to the
Rolling
rescue.
freestyle.
Yeah, I'm your hero.
Everything goes. Just get to that finish line.
Nothing up from zero. They tried to take me out, I'm here though.
3,
Yeah, I'm
2,
your hero.
1 level 5 sprint right here.
Yeah, I'm your hero.
Settled into the pain train.
Hold, I'll never let go. I'm here to stay, so let the world know.
Come on, you got more.
Yeah,
Get that turnover.
hero. Hold tight. I'm coming for you. Hang on. I'm coming for you. We all hear gruesome tales.
Level 7, climb it out.
But good
In
prevails.
3,
You in my
2,
face, soon it's jail.
1.
I'll save the day, it never fails. These eyes have seen some lethal
Come on.
people. Maniacs, truly evil.
You can finish.
Nothing they do is
Don't quit
legal.
now.
Clear the streets, make them peaceful, strong, or stop a speeding
You're motoring
train. In the rain,
to the finish
ease
line.
pain. Miracles I can't even explain. Got them scared to speak my name. With the heart of a lion.
Full throttle. Sprint out of the saddle.
The public's my client.
In
I love
2,
them, I feel like a giant
1.
hero.
Come on.
Came from nothing up from zero. They tried to take me
A little
out,
harder.
here though.
Back to that climb.
I'm your hero.
In 3, 2, 1.
I'm your hero. I'm taking hold, I'll never let go.
Breathe.
I'm here to stay, so let the world know. Yeah, 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 'cause I'm your hero. Won't see
Level
me
8.
giving in.
Out of the saddle climb. In 2, 1.
And defend the innocent. Invincible, do a few favors. Now I'm front page of the newspaper. This town's got a new savior. I'm your hero. Came from nothing up from zero.
Keep
They
going
tried
hard.
to take me out, I'm here though.
Full tap down in about
I'm your
10.
hero. Yeah, I'm your hero.
3,
Yeah, I'm your hero.
2,
From nothing up from
1.
zero. They tried to take
Quick
me
water.
out, I'm here though. I'm still here. Yeah, I'm your hero. Yeah, I'm your hero.
Anything you like, yeah. 'Cause I got
All right, power sprint. Level 7.
Anything you like,
In 3,
yeah.
2, 1. Get it. Don't think, just do. Shoulders are down. Don't tense up. Hold the tension and climb right here. In 2, 1. Come on. Coming up to the final minute.
Bleach blonde, let me suck a suntan. You can be my
Rise level 8. In 3, 2, 1. You know it's coming. You're strong though. Don't let up. Hold it here. Get those RPMs. Power climb to the end. In 10. We got 3, 2, 1. Power. Empty the tank. A little harder. Come on. 10. You're so strong. You made it this far. 3, 2, 1. We did it. Woo. Officially cooling down. 181 heart rate. Barely alive. Can't speak. Thanks for riding with me. Thank you to everyone who supports my channel with their memberships. $2.99 for almost 50 rides. Stop that bike. In 2, 1. Average heart rate 168, maximum 181. Thank you so much much for riding with me. Please like, comment, subscribe, become a member, throw more rides, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.